your local weather authority, with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. How many times this summer have we been 90 degrees or above? There's the answer, 21. There we are, month-by-month breakdown. We have 7 days in this month, not today, where we've been above 90. And there's the average, by the way. We averaged 33 times in the summer we hit 90 or above. We did not today. The high temperature today hit 87, which is right where it should be, and a full 20 degrees below the record high set back in 1936. 65 early this morning, pretty much about where it should be. No rain here today, but we got a little rain last night, 0.31. That's where we are now for the month. A lot of folks still need some rain, though, and there is some in the forecast. There's your sunrise sunset for tomorrow, 14 hours, 45 minutes of daylight. River Stage in Terre Haute, 5.8 feet, and it is on the way down. At the airport in Terre Haute, not a bad evening, 86, but the humidity not real high. Notice the heat index is 88. By the way, a week ago today, when it was the 4th of July, the heat index topped at 115. So it's a whole lot better out there now, and the pressure's at 30.07. Temperatures currently around the area are about where they should be, in the mid to upper 80s. We do have a 90 in Flora, also in the Vincennes area. The heat index, again, not bad. Pretty much everybody below triple digits, and in some cases not even in the 90s. So again, it's a pretty typical summer day across the valley. No deep moisture near this area either. We kind of have the airflow. You can see the movement here from the north to the south. So that's bringing in the drier and somewhat cooler air that we have seen across the area today. Moisture down to the south and way up to the north, but around here, there's simply nothing going on close to home. Look at this. If you're going to be out this evening, beautiful evening, going to be a nice evening. Temperatures will drop off fairly quickly when the sun starts going down because this dry air cools off pretty quickly, and that's what we'll be looking at overnight. Next 48 hours. Nothing significant, really. We're going to be looking at sunny days and clear nights over the next 2 days. As we head into Friday evening, thunderstorms in Iowa and Missouri, but not anywhere close to here. So we've got tomorrow and Friday, and I think probably most all of Saturday with some pretty good weather. We talk about dew points. When the dew point hits 70 and above, it's really uncomfortable. Well, look at this. Dew points right now pretty much in the 60s to near 70, so not so bad. Watch by tomorrow morning. We'll stop the clock for you. Look at this. Into the upper 50s, not bad at all. During the day tomorrow, they don't climb that much. And then as we head into Friday morning, in the upper 50s, and watch Friday even during the day. These numbers do not go way high. So yeah, it's going to get warmer. But we don't have as much moisture in the atmosphere as what we had a week ago when it was really hot and humid. Saturday is going to be a hot day. So will Sunday. Thunderstorm chances develop by Sunday, especially later Sunday, Monday, as this front approaches. The front kind of stalls out near the area, so the rain chances will linger into Tuesday and into Wednesday. So we need some rain. We got some pretty good chances coming up, it looks like, early next week. Here's the long term, which would be basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Much of the area could be looking at an inch to an inch and a half, maybe across the area. So that would be some good news. Temperature-wise also, notice this. Once we get into July 17 to 21, heat starts to shift here, cooler out here. If we finally start to see a little break in some of the heat once we get into the second half of the month. And look at this. Also above normal precipitation. So we could be looking at a better trend with somewhat cooler weather and maybe a little bit more moisture as we get into later next week. Forecast for tonight, though. Mostly clear, cooler than normal. 62 for the low. During the day tomorrow, much like today, sunshine, not real humid. 87 with an east breeze. Temperatures will climb after that, though, and it gets more humid. 92 on Friday. Heat index a little bit over 100. We'll stay in the 90s as we head for the weekend. Storm chances Sunday through Wednesday and turning cooler by the middle of next week. That's your forecast. Now we'll head over to Grand.
Thank you, Jesse. Hey,